Today we have a Southwestern Industries Trak 1630 lathe. It has the SLX control. We got the spindle running. It's 250 RPMs. Take and bump that up to, we'll say 850. Spindle runs nice. We'll go over here, do 1200. We have an override here. Back down to 600. That's 1622. This machine has a dynamic brake. Stop the spindle, save you a lot of time. Here we're going to run a little program today. We'll show you the path of this. See, it's making some cycle cuts. Then it's going to go around, take the profile, come back for a second finish cut. Speeds up a little bit. If you have any other questions about the Trak 1630 or any other proto Trak lathes or mills, please give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. I can answer any questions you need. Thank you.